So this is the get out spot in Whitecourt. As you can tell, she's a lot of flood. Holy moly. Like, that's usually a pretty steep hill to get the hell up here. Wow.
What is that, 30 feet of a walk down? 50 feet of a walk down?
I don't think.
So it's probably what?
Probably 30 feet.
20 feet high?
Oh, it's got to be, yeah, 3, 6, 9, 12. Probably up 6 meters. For sure that. I would think, because this is the creek, and that thing is usually empty. It's unreal. Be nice to be in that helicopter right now, getting a bird's eye view of everything.
Yeah, you can really see the water.
But you can just see it moving, eh? Like, holy. Like the power. I can't wait to hit these riverbanks afterwards.